Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. For today's video, as promised, I am here to show you how I clean my vintage Trousse de Toilette 28 from Louis Vuitton. Here are the photos of my Trousse 28 before cleaning it. The interior has some marks which I am hoping to be cleaned afterwards. Here are the things we need. Baby wipes, make sure it is alcohol-free. For my case, I use water wipes, Brasso to clean the hardware, Q-tips, and cleaning cloth, as well as leather conditioner. Here's a look on the condition before starting this cleaning process. Let's start by cleaning the hardware. So make sure you shake the Brasso very well and put just a few product on a Q-tip and slowly dab it on the zipper line. We'll then polish it with a clean cloth. We have to be patient in cleaning the zipper. This actually takes more time when cleaning a piece like this. What I do is clean 1/3 of the zipper line and then move to the next 1/3 and then on the last part. The process is always the same. Put on product on Q-tip and then dab it on the zipper line and then polish it with the cloth. It's time for the zipper pull. I was very careful when cleaning this part because I don't want to damage the canvas puller. After polishing it while it is closed, what I do is I open it and then polish one side of the zipper and then do the same on the other side. So we can just repeat the same process until you are satisfied by the results. As I mentioned, cleaning the zipper takes a lot of patience. So for my case, I really took time in cleaning it and I did not stop until I am satisfied with the results. I'm pretty happy with the results. See, it looks very different from the condition of the zipper before polishing it. I'm so happy. And now we go proceed to clean the interior. Using an alcohol-free baby wipe, just wipe the interior thoroughly. I see some dirt coming off upon wiping it, and this is the reason why I don't use any pre-loved bag without cleaning it, because you don't know what's in there. I am so happy to take the dirt out, the one you see earlier before cleaning it. And I also noticed some pen marks which I was not able to remove. But that's fine because it's only in the pocket. After cleaning the inside, I do clean the zipper line as you see, because this is one of the way to remove the excess Brasso that was there earlier during the polishing. After polishing the zipper, cleaning the interior, now it's time to clean the exterior parts. Again, we will be using water wipes or any baby wipe, but make sure it is alcohol-free. Be gentle while cleaning it and make sure that it is cleaned thoroughly. She looks so much different now and feels so clean. She is a little wet, so we go ahead and wipe it with a dry cloth or towel. Now it's dry, I will go ahead and put a little leather conditioner on a clean cloth and then wipe it all around. You can actually skip this step, but for me, I always do it on the canvas on all of my bags because I think it gives some sheen to it and it makes it a little smoother, giving it some last step polishing. And here you guys is the finished product. And here's a little hack. We can use baking paper and rub it on the zipper line to make it easier to zip up. Make sure to do this on both sides of the zipper. And this is the final product. I'm done cleaning it, and as you see, the interior now is very clean. The canvas is a little shinier and feels so much clean. The zipper is very shiny, as you see. I will be showing you before and after photos for you to appreciate. Please do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some luxe. Bye!